Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Masti, your cozy place to learn simple English with real-life conversations.
Hi, friends. It feels really good to be here again. I hope you're all doing well today.
I'm doing fine, just a little tired. You know, that end of the day feeling?
Yes, I know exactly what you mean. But today's topic is perfect for that tired feeling.
True, because today we're talking about night routines. How we relax, how we end our day, and what simple English phrases we use at night.
This is one of my favorite topics because nighttime feels calm and peaceful.
Same here. But before we start, just a tiny request.
Yes. Friends, if you enjoy these podcast-style lessons, please take 1 second and hit the like button.
And subscribe to English Masti so you never miss our new episodes.
And share it with someone who wants to improve English in a simple, fun way.
Okay, Krishna, I'm ready. Let's start our relaxing talk about nighttime.
So Maya, imagine this. The day is finished, the work is over, and you finally reach home. What is the very first thing you do?
Honestly, the moment I open the door, I feel this big sigh of relief. Then I put my bag down and take off my shoes because my feet always need a break.
Same. Taking off shoes feels like the official start of the evening.
Yes, and after that, I change my clothes. I like wearing something soft and comfortable at home.
Oh, really? What kind of clothes?
I have this big, warm sweatshirt. It's not pretty, but it makes me feel relaxed instantly.
I understand. I also have home clothes, a very loose t-shirt and soft pants. They are not stylish at all, but they make me feel free.
See, home clothes are the true happiness clothes.
So Maya, after you change, what do you usually do next?
I start thinking about food. I'm always hungry in the evening.
Me too. Dinner time is the best time.
Tell me, Krishna, do you cook your dinner or do you order something?
Well, it depends. If I have energy, I cook something simple, like rice with vegetables. But if I'm tired, I order food online. It feels like magic. Just one click and food arrives.
True. Lazy evenings need easy solutions.
And you, do you cook every night?
Mostly yes. Cooking relaxes me. I put on slow music and cut vegetables. It feels like meditation for me.
That sounds really peaceful. I love that.
So after dinner, what do you do to relax?
I sit on my sofa, the most comfortable place in my house, and I watch some light videos. Nothing serious, just fun stuff.
Nice. I also love watching something that makes me smile. Sometimes I watch comedy shows, sometimes simple family dramas.
And other evenings I read a book. Not for long, maybe for 15 minutes. But reading helps my mind slow down.
That's beautiful. My mind keeps running all day, so I like relaxing sounds. Sometimes soft music, sometimes nature sounds, like rain.
Rain sounds? Oh yes, that can make anyone sleepy in minutes.
Krishna, do you ever go out at night? Maybe meet friends?
Not often, but sometimes on weekends. We go for a walk or a simple dinner outside. Nothing fancy.
Same here. Most nights, I love being at home. I think I'm a total home lover.
Me too. Home feels safe and warm.
Okay, now it's getting late. Maybe around 10 p.m. What's your bedtime routine like?
First, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly. Then, I wash my face with warm water. It feels like the whole day washes away.
Yes, washing the face at night feels like a reset button.
After that, I put on my pajamas. They are just simple gray pajamas, but they make me feel sleepy.
My pajamas are pink with tiny stars. They make me smile every night.
And Maya, do you sleep immediately?
No, I check my phone for two things. The next day's alarm and tomorrow's weather.
Same. After that, I keep my phone far away from my bed.
I do that too. Otherwise, I keep looking at it again and again.
And then?
Then I lie down, close my eyes, and read a little. Not much, maybe just 5 minutes. And then, slowly, I fall asleep.
That sounds like a perfect bedtime.
Thank you. And yours sounds very calm too.
Friends, remember, your evening is your recharge time.
Even small habits can make your nights peaceful. Take care of yourself.
One small step every day creates big changes.
What do you do to relax in the evening?
Tell us your routine in the comments.
Please like, share, and subscribe to English Masti for more videos.